Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. This is another unboxing and first impression video. These are 10 fragrances that I bought for last few weeks or maybe a couple of months, and I thought I'll give you an unboxing video and basically first impression and see how they go. These are either were recommended by somebody or I saw a good review online for them, so I bought them on basis of either recommendation or good review. Let's do this without further ado. I might do 2 videos because 10 fragrances probably is too long for one video, so I'll do 5 in one and another 5 in a second video. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thank you very much for your support, guys. It means a lot to me. Okay, so let's start. First thing first, let's go with very famous Mercedes-Benz Club Black. Mercedes-Benz Club Black. I will leave in the description below where you can find them for the cheapest price, and also if you want to do your research and look at the Fragrantica and Google it, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is was highly recommended by at least couple or 3 reviewers online, and they basically gave it 10 out of 10, so that's why I was very curious to see how it is. Let's do this. So the box is very simple and does the job perfectly. As always, look, attention to details with Mercedes-Benz presentation. So this one is vanilla based fragrance and is suited for basically cooler weather. And wow, look at this. Look at the bottle, is gorgeous. The color of the juice is golden or yellow. Very pretty, very gorgeous. Okay, let's see. How is the sprayer? Alright, very good sprayer. Okay, so Mercedes-Benz Club Black. Delicious vanilla. Okay, so basically this is a vanilla based fragrance. As people said, this is very good quality. You can smell the quality. Yeah, but vanilla is the most dominant, and it's got some spiciness, a little bit of smokiness to it. I can smell some floral as well, maybe a little bit of rose as well. But this is very similar to 24 Gold by Scent Story. Very similar, I would say 90% similar to it. Yeah, first thing it reminds me of is 24 Gold Scent Story. But this one is a little bit more refined, okay? But 24 Gold by Scent Story is a beast and is so strong and it projects huge. So this one is a little bit more subdued than that one. But very elegant, a little bit of booziness, a little bit spicy, vanilla, a little bit of amberiness, a little bit sweetness in the background as well. So this is perfect for this time of the year, for the cooler weather. And anybody can rock this. This is absolutely unisex. There is no sex to it. Although it's a men's one, but a woman and men can wear it easy. Wow, highly recommend it. Very pretty. As I said, I'll leave the description below where you can find. At the moment, if you go to Perfume Click, they have it for sale for a very good price. This one is retailed £80, and I heard, I'm not sure, I heard it's been discontinued. And they are selling it for a very good price. If you want to get it, go and don't hesitate, because when it goes, it goes. Okay, so let's go for the next one. So that was a very good start. Okay, let's go to the next. The next is Mambusen Crystal Oud. Mambusen Crystal Oud. Again, this was highly recommended by some of the reviewers. Not reviewers, basically people who left a review for it. So I was very curious, and let's see how it goes. So the box is very cute with golden, basically this one is embossed, very pretty. And let's see How is the bottle? Okay, with Mambusen, the bottles are always cute. Look at this, very very cute. Cute bottle, all brown apart from the golden leaf. And the cap is plastic. Okay, let's go to the next. Very very pretty atomizer. Very very good atomizer, perfect. As I said, with Mambusen they always have a very good atomizer. Okay, and the presentation. Delicious, beautiful. Okay, so this is oud based fragrance. The oud is not barnyardy, it's not fecal, it's not very very safe oud, okay? So it's a combination of oud and rose, so it's rose oud. And also it's got some spices in the background. And it's got a little bit of amberiness to it. Wow, but this is very cute, very very pretty. Again, this one is aimed at men, but it could easily be unisex, no problem at all. Wow, this is gorgeous. I highly recommend this. Again, if you go to Perfume, click, as I said, I leave the description below where you can find this, okay? And I heard this one, performance is very good as well. People say 8 to 10 hours easy. Wow, very good, beautiful. So it's a very familiar rose oud combination, but a little bit of spiciness in the background, that's making it a little bit different from others, okay? Wow, gorgeous, beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be the famous Ragba for Men. Ragba for Men. This one is green Irish tweed clone or alternative. So again, I found it for a very good price, under £10. I leave the description below when you can find it. I heard many people saying good thing about it, so let's see how it smells. So Ragba for Man, the presentation on Latafa fragrances are always good, so especially for the money, okay? When we say it's fantastic and good and all this is for the money. Some people criticize me, say, oh Naz, we bought this and it's compared green Irish tweed, for example, compared green Irish tweed is not good. Well, what do you expect? You know, either you pay £200, which better quality, or you pay £10 alternative, and it smells 95% or 90% similar to it. So when I say it's fantastic, it's good, it's recommended, it's for the price, okay? So for £10 you're getting fantastic presentation, and the bottle is gorgeous. Look at this, the bottle is gorgeous, black and gold, and it's 100 ml EDP. And let's see the sprayer. The sprayer always good on the Tafa. Okay, the spray is not bad, it's not great, but it's not bad. Okay, and how is it smell? Wow, gorgeous. Yeah, this is basically green Irish tweed in this bottle for a tenner, for a £10. Okay, wake up. I'm not saying this is great for £200, but for £10 this is great, unbelievable. Wow, fantastic smell, gorgeous. Okay, so green Irish tweed for a tenner, nothing else to say, okay? And the performance, many people say, is good as well. Let's go to the next one. All right, the next, let's go to okay, this is the last one in this video. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3? No, sorry, it's only 3 so far. Okay, let's go with Ungaro pour l'homme Aromatic. Ungaro pour l'homme Aromatic. So Ungaro pour l'homme 3 basically is a very good fragrance because it's a rosy, boozy fragrance which was done by two famous perfumers. Olivia Poge, one of them, and I think it was who was the other one? Anyway, so two very famous perfumers did that one, and this one I'm not sure who is the perfumer, but this one is a flanker to it, and it's called Ungaro pour l'homme 3 Aromatic. Okay, Aromatic. And again, this is at the moment is on sale for silly price, okay, for 100 ml EDP. I think it's EDP. Is it EDP? No, it's Editor Toilet, okay. And look at this beautiful bottle. As always, Ungaro's bottles are very pretty, similar to the last one, but this one is silver instead of gold trimming. And let's see the atomizer. So the atomizer should be good on this. Here we go. Very good atomizer, fantastic. Okay, so Ungaro pour l'homme free. This one is aromatic. How is that? Fresh. So this one is the last one was the rose booziness. This one is completely different. So this is, as it says, aromatic. It's very aromatic. A little bit green, fresh, citrusy, woody. Wow, but very pretty, very fresh and refreshing, and it's like basically out of the shower clean, okay? But it's good quality. I can smell the quality in there, but I'm not sure who's the perfumer. But a little bit subdued. It's not as strong as the Pour l'Homme Free, which was rose and booze, okay? But again, very pretty. For the money, again, under £20 for 100 ml. Wow. Okay, let's go to the last one in this video. Let's do another Ungaro, and this one is Emanuel Ungaro for him. Emanuel Ungaro for him. Okay, so this is a new one. I think it came out this year or last year, 2019. Sorry, yeah, 2019. And let's see how this one goes. The pretty box. The presentation on Ungaros are always good. It's basically Italian house, and the Italians are very good in presentation, as always. So this one says Emanuel Ungaro for him, and look at the bottle. The bottle is very cute. Again, this one, if you go on allbeauty.com, at the moment it's going for a silly price, something like 12 quid or something like that for 100 ml, and that is a bargain. Okay, let's see the smell. So the atomizer should be good on Ungaro again. Okay, the atomizer is very good. Alright, so how is the smell? Ungaro for him. Okay, sweet and fresh. So sweet, fresh. Very pretty. But very safe, okay? So this is crowd pleasing, okay? So very safe, sweet, a little bit of fruitiness, fruity sweet, and it's got a little bit of woody backbone, probably cedar, but very quite simple but pleasing, very pleasing, simple, fresh, sweet fragrance. Okay, you smelled it before. It's nothing new, but it is very pleasant, and it's quite cute. Okay. Very nice. Okay, so this concludes this video. I'll see you in the next video. I'll do another 5 unboxing and first impression. I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.